What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Cheesy Does It cooking vlog. Today we're going to make orange chicken. It's super easy to make and only takes a few seconds. And enjoy. Okay, so I just googled the recipe and there's actually more to it. I really wish I knew this before I tasted it. Anyway, we're going to start by zesting an orange. One side note, I was showing off my zesting skills to my basil plant and cut myself, so be very careful with this. Thank you. Next, we need to cut our chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. So what you're going to want to do is measure each side of your mouth, then compute the weighted averages while doing a suspenseful thinking montage. Bingo bongo, perfect bite-sized pieces. Next, we need to quickly marinate our chicken for 15 minutes. So add some salt, garlic, onion powder, pepper, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, orange juice, and some sugar. While it's marinating, prepare your breading with 2 tablespoons each of cornstarch and flour. And now you're ready to party. Dredge your chicken until it's well coated with breading. Okay, I'm outside with some oil that I breathed on really hard until it got to 350 degrees. Carefully add in chicken 1 or 2 at a time. Don't overcrowd the pot, they don't like that. And can I stress being really careful? Oil burns are extremely painful. They're like 1.4 times more painful than sunburns. Cook your chicken until golden brown. It should only take about 3 to 5 minutes. This next part is how to make orange chicken sauce. And I really messed up. I had the burner on way too hot, so things got extra smoky. Do as I say, not as I do. Keep your burner on medium. In a little bit of oil, saute some garlic and ginger. Then add some soy sauce. Next, rice wine vinegar, orange juice. Are you doing okay? How you doing in there?
I think I'm getting the black lung, Bob.
Some chili paste if you like it hot, some more sugar, and lastly cornstarch slurry, which is just cold water and about a tablespoon of cornstarch. Let it cook and thicken up until it gets silky smooth. Throw your chicken back in, mix it around, and you're done. For bowling, it's easy. I just have some brown rice, and I'm going to top the chicken off with some sesame seeds and some trapezoidal green onions. And there you have it. It looks very tasty. Wow, that is really, really good. It's orangey, it's chickeny, it's Chinese foodie. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I had a really good time making this recipe, and I hope that you follow my footsteps and make it too. As always, exact measurements and ingredients are in the link that's in the description. That's my website. You should check it out. Shout out of the week goes to Yummies for Dummies Cooking. I really like what she's doing over there. She specializes in a lot of Asian food and it looks absolutely delicious. It looks way better than my food does. Ate too fast. You know, it does that thing where it gets stuck right here. Ah. Oh. Okay. Alright, we're good. It's not bad.